This video explains how to install the Fab&Fix door knocker from Fab&Fix. Remove the knocker from the packet and check that you've got the fixing plate. Decide where you would like to fit the product on the door. Note that there is a top side and bottom side to the fixing plate. The star washers should be on the underside of the fixing plate. Mark the position of the 4 screw holes for the fixing bracket. If you are installing the door knocker on a composite door, you will need to first drill pilot holes to help the screws locate. If you are installing the door knocker on a PVC door, you can force the screws straight in, but make sure that you use screws long enough to pierce the steel reinforcing within the profile. Screw the bracket into position. Using the bracket, also mark where the 2 fixing lugs will be positioned. Drill 6mm deep holes for the fixing lugs. Place the knocker over the bracket and push it into position using your hand or a rubber mallet.